Hi everybody, this is Michelle Allen and I'm the Executive Director for Somerset-Pulaski County Tourism Office, and right now we're here at the Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, and this session took place in Bowling Green and in Fort Campbell and Hopkinsville, Kentucky. It was a fabulous session, as they all have been. But one of the greatest takeaways was going to visit Fort Campbell. I was so proud when I left there that that is a part of Kentucky. We have no idea how large Fort Campbell is, how many soldiers are there. It's a city within a city of itself. Part of Leadership Kentucky isn't just making sure that we know leaders that are in our community. We need to know about leaders that are behind the scenes, and Fort Campbell really did that for me. One of the other nice things that we were able to do today was talk to law enforcement. There was a great panel that came to the Corvette Museum. We talked to them about their feelings about things that are going on, what kind of trainings they're doing here in Bowling Green, and how much they really love what they do. So I'm really excited to attend Pikeville next month, see what we have to learn over there, and I'm just thankful to be a part of Leadership Kentucky.